Viewers, moving on to some more breaking news coming in. BJP National General Secretary Tarun Chugh has made a statement on the Election Commission's announcement for the schedule of SIR. He says, and I quote, "Infiltrators, fake and dead votes are like poison for a healthy democracy. The right to vote in elections within India belongs only to Indians, but opposition people are taking out marches to protect infiltrators and fake votes. This is unfortunate. Therefore, SIR is necessary." Let's listen in.
घुसपैठिए, नकली व मृत वोट स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र के लिए विष जैसा है। जो भारत के मतदाताओं के नेतृत्व चयन के मौलिक अधिकार का हनन है। देश के चुनाव को विदेशी कैसे अपने हाथों में ले सकते हैं, कैसे प्रभावित कर सकते हैं। भारत के अंदर चुनाव के मत का अधिकार सिर्फ भारतवासियों को है, पर दुर्भाग्य है कि भ्रष्ट युवराज व युवरानियों की टोली घुसपैठिए में नकली वोटों की रक्षा हेतु यात्राएं निकाल रहे। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और गैर संवैधानिक है। घुसपैठियों को मतदाता बनाना देश की एकता, अखंडता, प्रभुसत्ता व आंतरिक सुरक्षा के लिए बड़ा खतरा है। इसलिए डिटेक्ट, डिलीट और डिपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी है।
All right, viewers, now some more breaking news coming in. Now, Congress leader Manika Rao Thackeray has commented on the Pan-India SIR announcement by the Election Commission. He said that there were many flaws in the SIR which have been exposed. He said, and I quote, "The elections in Maharashtra are for local bodies and they are not even looking at the voter list for that, nor are they letting anyone look at it. It clearly means they want to win the Maharashtra elections using those fake voters." Let's in fact listen in.
देखिए, उसमें तो बहुत सारी खामियां हैं, ये बहुत उजागर हो चुका है। उसके बारे में बहुत स्टेटमेंट भी आए हैं, हमारे नेताओं की आए भी, जनता से भी आए हैं। लेकिन ये बात मैं समझ नहीं सका हूँ कि भाई अभी जो भी महाराष्ट्र में चुनाव होने जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे लोकल बॉडी की चुनाव है, जिला परिषद के चुनाव है, म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन, मुंबई जैसी कॉरपोरेशन है। इसमें चुनाव होते हुए वहाँ पे जो उनकी लिस्ट है, वोटर लिस्ट है, उसको तो वो देख नहीं रहे हैं, ना देखने दे रहे हैं किसी को। जो असेंबली में चुनाव है उसी के आधार पे वो वहाँ के मुंबई का चुनाव करना चाहते हैं, सभी म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन का चुनाव करना चाहते हैं, जिला परिषद का चुनाव करना चाहते हैं। इसका मतलब तो साफ है कि उनको महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव उसी फर्जी वोटर्स के आधार पे जीतना है।
My colleague Anand Singh is joining me with more details. Now, Anand, the Congress leader Manik Rao Thackeray has clearly said that there were many flaws in the SIR which have been exposed. What more can you tell our viewers?
So, Shali, look, this is not the first time that the Congress party has opposed the SIR exercise. We have seen that how it has opposed the SIR exercise in Bihar and now also in Maharashtra, especially Manik Rao Thackeray, who is also Congress in charge for Tamil Nadu. We have spoken on the SIR exercise that the Election Commission is planning to conduct in 10 to 15 states, including Maharashtra. So clearly he said that in Maharashtra, the elections are for the local bodies and the Election Commission is not looking at the voter list for that. So clearly the charge the Congress party has earlier maintained that how earlier during the Maharashtra assembly polls, there were fake voters added in the list. So he clearly mentioned that not they are letting anyone look at it. Again, one more charge that the Congress party had been demanding the voter list from the Election Commission or to prove its point of fake voters added during the assembly polls. And it said that it clearly means they want to win the Maharashtra elections using those fake voters. And the Election Commission should comment on the questions raised by the party leaders and several partners of the Mahavikas Aghadi, that includes the NCP, SC Saraj Chandra party and also the Shiv Sena Uddhav Balaji Thackeray faction. So clearly all these parties had earlier raised questions over the way in which they had lost in the Maharashtra assembly polls, as they had alleged that lakhs of voters were added just between Lok Sabha elections last year and the Maharashtra assembly polls that were also conducted last year. So clearly Once again, the Congress party is opposing the SIR exercise in Maharashtra that the Election Commission is planning to undertake over there. Back to you.